Welcome to your new website. In today's video tutorial, we will explore how you can change some of the content found on your homepage. Quotes, images, and prose can all be revised. You will see how easy it is. Let's get started. First, log into the administrative pages of your site, as you usually do. There is a quick shortcut to getting to the login page. As you can see in the image displayed, simply type the word environment following the URL of your website. Once on the login page, use your login credentials to access the editing features for your site. Once you have logged into the site, let's take a moment to look at the home page. Keep in mind that what you are seeing here is a first draft. There may be changes to the layout before the site is launched, but for now, this is what we have to start with. As we scroll down the page, you can see, first at the top, the quote about national parks in danger. Next, your "I am on a quest" paragraph, next to an image. This is followed by the second paragraph, and image. Finally, your personal quote at the bottom of the page. For now, these are the basic content elements we will be editing. Next, let's see how easy it will be for you to revise these particular content elements on your homepage. Let's start editing. At the top of the page, find the Edit Page link. This black bar at the top of the page is called the admin bar. You can only see this when logged into the site as an administrator. Note, be sure to go to the Edit Page link, not the Edit with Divi link. In this case, we do not want to edit content using Edit with Divi. Click on the Edit Page link. The Edit Page page will load. For now, ignore the top area where it says, "This site built with Divi." We do not need it at the moment. Instead, focus on the sections that start with Homepage Custom Fields. We use these fields to edit the homepage content. For example, the first text box is labeled National Parks in Danger Homepage Quote. Editing this text box will update the quote on the homepage. In a similar way, there are editable fields for the "I am on a quest" paragraph, and the second paragraph on the page, and the images used to showcase that content. Note, we will explore how to edit/revise/add images using these fields in the next section. Lastly, there is the editable field for the personal quote at the bottom of the homepage. Next, let's see how to revise the images. This section is about how you can edit, delete, or add an image using the custom image editing fields. In this case, this is the section of the Edit Page we are interested in. First, hover over the image. Two icons will appear. One allows you to edit the image information. The other allows you to delete the image. This short video demonstrates how to edit, delete, and add images. Editing the content elements of your homepage is that easy. Just be sure to update all your work before you leave the page. In the next video tutorial, we will look at how to edit and add and delete images from your National Park Post image gallery.